Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. What makes a hammer hit a nail? What keeps a swing going? The secret is mechanical energy, the energy of movement and position. Remember, energy is the ability to do work. Mechanical energy is simply the total energy an object has due to its motion or its position. Mechanical energy has two amazing components: potential energy, stored energy, and kinetic energy, moving energy. Potential energy, or PE, is stored energy. It's waiting for the right moment to be released, like a stretched rubber band or a pulled-back bowstring. The higher you are, the more PE you have. A roller coaster car at the very peak has massive stored energy just waiting to fall. Kinetic energy, or KE, is the energy of motion. If something is moving, rolling, or spinning, it has kinetic energy. The faster you move, the more kinetic energy you have. Speed is the main key to kinetic energy. Mechanical energy is constantly transforming. PE converts to KE, and KE converts back to PE in a non-stop loop. Think of a swing or a pendulum. At the very top, you have maximum PE. At the bottom, that stored energy is converted entirely into motion, or KE. For a split second at the peak of the swing, you stop. All motion stops, and all the energy is stored again as potential energy. At the bottom, you are moving the fastest. All that stored PE has been released as maximum kinetic energy. We use KE to do work. Windmills turn the KE of moving air into electricity for our homes. Water dams store massive potential energy due to gravity. When the water is released, its kinetic energy spins turbines to make power. The total amount of mechanical energy is always conserved. The energy just shifts between being stored, PE, and being used, KE. When you brake, you turn kinetic energy into heat energy through friction. That's why brakes get hot. You use mechanical energy constantly.
Look at that.
When you jump, you store potential energy at the peak and release kinetic energy as you fall. Mechanical energy is the engine of the physical world. It's the powerful, constant motion that surrounds us every day. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.